Hey, what's up YouTube? Today's video, we're gonna play around a little bit. We have some materials in the shop, and that's what Venetian plaster is all about, is creating samples, it's making designs, it's having fun. So that's how I started doing Venetian plaster, is I just practiced and I created and I had fun with it. And that's what it's all about, having fun while you're doing these processes. So today's video, we're gonna be doing a sample. We're gonna be doing a light gray. We're gonna use Marmorino Ks. We're gonna be using a Sahara trowel, and it is just a grooved out trowel. It's pretty cool. And we're just gonna put some grooves in it and make a design. All right, so our first step is we're gonna be doing our Marmorino Ks. This is tinted to a online color, and we're going to put our first coat on, and we're just gonna put a good coat on. And we're just gonna leave that be. All right, so our texture coat is completely dry, so we're gonna take our knife and we're just going to scrape the boogers off. The little chunks from when we put the trowel through it on our texture coat. All right, and then we're gonna put our second coat on, and we're just gonna pull it tight. This is just another way to do Venetian plaster in a different design. I'll make sure you get a good coat on it, filling all the voids. All right, we're gonna just let this dry up a little bit, and then we're going to burnish it up. All right, so we let our sample dry up. Some, we don't want it to dry all the way. That way we can burnish it and we can work with it. So we take our spray bottle again and we just spray it down a little bit. And we're going to burnish it. All right, now we're just gonna let this dry up all the way, and then we'll be on to our next step. All right, so our sample is dry, and now we're gonna put some Fase silossanica, and this is a lime wash for Venetian plaster. Since it's a limestone product, it's tinted to FCA, so it's pretty much just a black. And we put some water in it, and we're gonna use a sponge, and we're just going to put a nice little coat on it. This acts as a sealer as well. All right, so that is the finish of our sample. As you can see, it's just a lime wash. It just makes it look dirty. It's pretty cool stuff. You can tint it to any color you want, but we chose to do a gray over gray. Makes it look nice and rustic. You can see the shine to it. Pretty cool stuff. So that completes our demo. If you guys liked our video, please subscribe to our channel, hit that bell, that way you don't miss a notification. Until next time.